Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be talking about wash machine hacks that can save you water, energy, and money. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit partselect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Do you ever feel that your laundry machine is draining more than just your clothes? Between the water, energy, and wear and tear, your wash machine could be one of the most expensive appliances to run. The average household does over 300 loads of laundry each year. That's hundreds of chances to waste money or to save it. So in this video, we're going to show you some practical hacks showing you how you can save on your utility bill and reduce your environmental footprint. The first thing we want to talk about is pre-wash prep and optimizing your loads. Before you even hit that start button, you can save big. First, you want to maximize your loads. Sort your laundry by soil level and fabric type to avoid rewashing. Pre-treat stains properly the first time so you don't have to wash things twice. And let's be honest, not every item needs to be washed after one wear. Re-wearing lightly used clothing means fewer loads and more savings. Next thing we want to talk about is washing machine settings and choosing them wisely. Your washing machine offers more than just normal and heavy duty. Each cycle uses different amounts of water and energy. Delicate uses less water and shorter cycles. Save the heavy-duty setting for heavily soiled items like towels or work clothes. Here's another simple trick. Use cold water. It cleans most clothes just as well, and it saves energy because your machine isn't working to heat the water. So the next thing we want to cover is water-saving techniques, because every drop counts. Turn on the eco or energy-saving mode. It's not just marketing, it really does reduce water usage. Washing a small load? Use the half load setting to avoid wasting water. Thinking long term, consider upgrading to a high efficiency washing machine. They use up to 50% less water and even less energy compared to the older models. So for our final tip, we want to talk about finishing touches for efficiency. Once the wash is done, skip the dryer. Line drying your clothes saves energy and keeps fabrics looking newer longer. If you do use a dryer, optimize the settings. Use moisture sensors or lower heat to prevent over-drying. Some machines even offer an air dry option, perfect for delicate or quick-drying items without using a single watt of dryer energy. Saving money and protecting the environment does not mean giving up on clean clothes. If you make smarter choices one load at a time, you can have clean clothes and not break the bank.